Hi, I'm Michael Fucci, and welcome to my tiny kitchen. Now, I grew up with a family in the restaurant business, which means I have got a truckload of family recipes that I would love to share with you. Now, my dad is Italian, my mom is French, and today we are whipping together the best of both worlds into a cannoli stuffed French toast. An amazing recipe. It's actually super simple to make. We've got 3 separate stations. We have our French toast dipping station, our cannoli filling station, and then we have our bread. We're going to start by making our cannoli filling by mixing together our mascarpone cheese with our powdered sugar and giving that a mix. Next, we'll add just a drop of cinnamon oil. If you can't find it or you don't want to use it, just go ahead and substitute regular cinnamon. Next, I'm going to fold in our chocolate chips and mix it up until it's thoroughly combined. Now, I'm using mascarpone cheese. You can also use ricotta, but mascarpone is made from cream, so it gives a richer, creamier texture. Now, I'm going to pop this in the fridge and we'll get started on the custard. Station 2 is our French toast custard. To our 2 eggs, we're going to add some milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon. We'll go ahead and whisk that up and transfer it to our casserole dish. Station 3 is our challah bread, a real dense egg bread that I've cut into 1-inch slices. We're going to place that in the custard, about 30 seconds on each side. We'll give it a flip, transfer this to our clean plate, and we head back to the stove. I've got a frying pan over medium heat. We're going to melt some butter. We'll place our French toast in our frying pan. So we're going to cook our French toast for just a few minutes until it's golden brown on both sides, and then we'll plate it up. So I've transferred our cannoli filling to a piping bag. We'll just go ahead and pipe it onto the French toast. So we're going to place the other piece of French toast a little askew on top. We'll dust it with some powdered sugar and finish it off with a strawberry. So check this out. Tell me your family would not love to wake up to that. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and I look forward to the possibility of sharing more with you on Create TV.